Hi, this is Dale from Power Equipment Direct. Hey, today I'd like to talk to you about why it is so very important that you release the chain brake on your new saw before you attempt to put the bar and chain on. Okay, so when you receive your new saw, the chain brake is going to be on. The reason they're shipped with the brake on is because it holds everything in place in case there's any jostling during shipping. You'll also notice it does come with this little plastic ring. This is to take the place of the bar during shipping. Please make sure you get rid of this ring. Do not put the bar on and leave this ring on because it's going to throw your alignment all out. So all chain brakes are pretty much the same. Away from you, they're locked. If you pull it towards you, it's unlocked on just about every model saw you have. So when a brake is off, the chain can spin freely. Once it says locked, the bar and chain are all locked in tight and the chain will not turn. So what this is a safety mechanism that keeps your saw from cutting you on the chance there's any kind of kickback. When the brake is off and you're cutting, if that saw should kick back, it's going to hit your wrist before that saw comes close to your body. The reason that is because there's a band inside here that grabs a brake drum and won't let that chain turn. And if you don't release that and you pry the cover off, then the band is so tight you can't get it back on the saw. And if you'll notice, the chain brake is totally enclosed inside the cover, and the mechanism that controls it is up in this corner and it's connected to this handle, which will either activate or release the brake. So if you do not release the chain brake and you pry this cover off, there is no way to put this band back on. The band will be so tight it will not fit back over the drum, and the cover will not sit flat when you go to put it back on again. If you have to pry this off, then you know that the brake is on, so you want to absolutely make sure you release the brake. Some of these can be reset, a lot of them cannot be reset. So just to be safe, I would say on all saws, make sure you release the brake before you try and take the cover off. If you do happen to pry the cover off without releasing the brake, you're not going to be able to reset it yourself. You're going to have to do one of two things. You're either going to have to order a whole new complete cover with the brake, or you're going to have to go to a Husqvarna dealer and have them reset it, because this has to be taken apart inside here to reset it. So make sure you always release the brake before you attempt to take the bar and chain on or off. I hope you learned something today. If you do have any questions, please feel free to contact us or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, everybody. See you later.